Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I want to show you 3 of my must-have Firestick apps for 2024 and beyond. Now, if you're just looking for Firestick apps to install, all you can do is scroll over the Find button, click App Store, and you'll see that there are thousands of apps in the Amazon App Store that you can install on your Firestick or Fire TV device. And I have a whole separate video that goes through that, and I'll leave a link to that in the video description below. But because there are thousands of apps to choose from, guys, I just want to highlight 3 that I find myself using every day on my Firestick. So the first application I want to show you is the Downloader app. Now, I have several videos about Downloader on my Firestick, and I will leave a link to each of those in the video description below as well. But Downloader is an application developed by AFTVnews.com. Elias is the guy who runs that. And if you haven't visited AFTVnews.com, I would suggest doing so. That's a great site for all things Fire TV related. So the Downloader app has the ability to install third-party applications not available inside the Amazon App Store. And that is a huge deal because there are thousands of third-party apps out there on the internet that you can now install through this application like Downloader. Another great feature of Downloader is this browser option. So on the left, you'll see the menu if you click browser. Many cord cutters are not aware that Downloader actually has a working web browser, so you can use this on your Fire TV devices. Sometimes the Silk browser has issues, and if you're looking for another web browser on your Fire Stick, you can use the Downloader app's browsing feature. So that's a great feature to point out as well. There's also options for files where you can manage your APK files. It has a favorites option here so you can save your favorite websites. There's also some settings you can configure inside the Downloader app as well with folders, APK auto install, enabling JavaScript, and just some other things here as well. So that's the first app, guys, is the Downloader application. And if you want to install this, all you need to do is hover over Find from the home screen, click Search, and then type in Downloader. And the reason I'm showing you this is there are a ton of spam and fake apps that are trying to mimic Downloader, so I just want to make sure that you install the correct version. So here is the official application for Downloader. It has over 671,000 ratings and also millions of downloads. So this is the official app under apps and games. So make sure you install this one, not any of these spam apps over here, as because of its popularity, you may see developers try to spin it off and create some new apps, such as this one and then some of these other ones as well. So that's the application right there, guys, the orange icon that says Downloader. So guys, the second application for my Fire Stick that's a must-have for 2024 is called Analytics Speed Test. Now, there are other speed test tools out there on the internet, and admittedly, if I'm on my computer or phone, I find myself going to speedtest.net, as that's a great resource. But why Analytics is so important, in my opinion, is this is the best speed test application on Fire TV devices and also Android TV devices as well. You can find this in the Amazon App Store or Google Play Store, and it's 100% free to install and use to ping your internet speeds. Now, why this is so important is oftentimes many Fire Stick users have no idea what their internet speed is. So when things are buffering or playback's not working well or just things are moving slow, internet speed is often one of the biggest culprits, and this will give you a good gauge on what your speeds are. So you'll see here, it just pinged my speeds. Now I am on Surfshark VPN, so my speeds are slower than usual, but I'm getting 60 megabits per second down and 71 megabits per second up. And what I love about Analytics Speed Test is this helpful chart that they provide under the speed. So it says 1080p, 1440p, 4K, and 8K. So with these internet speeds, I am able to stream 1080p, 1080p gaming, 4K, and also 4K gaming, and I can even stream 8K if I wanted to do that. Now, 8K is overkill, so if your speeds say that you can't stream 8K, I would not worry about that. Now, there are some premium plans that you can get with Analytics Speed Test. You'll see I click the shopping cart up here where it says Expert. You can pay for a week. You can pay, for a year, a lifetime of $65. This just becomes ad-free, unlimited validator checklists. and also more details about your Wi-Fi speed. So this is not necessary, guys, but just something I wanted to point out. And there's also a settings icon up here as you can configure some settings in Analytics Speed Test. You can change the theme and just some other settings that you can configure down here as well. But that's the second app I find myself using all the time on my Fire Stick, guys, is Analytics Speed Test. And same with Downloader. To install this, simply hover over Find, click Search, and then type in Analytics. And then once you type in Analytics, you should see an option down here. And here is the official application under apps and games. It has over 46,000 reviews in the Amazon App Store. So again, just make sure you're installing the official app for Analytics Speed Test. All right, guys, so the third must-have Fire Stick application for 2024 and beyond is Surfshark VPN. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Surfshark, this is one of the most popular VPNs available for Fire Stick, Fire TVs, and also Android TV devices. Now, I personally have Surfshark connected 24/7 on my Fire Sticks, my Android TV boxes, my phones, and also my computers, really every device on my home network, as that's one of the best features of Surfshark is you get unlimited device connections. Not all VPNs provide unlimited connections. So Surfshark also has blazing fast download speeds. They have thousands of servers, and they also have an ad blocking feature here called Clean Web. They have a working kill switch, which not all VPNs have a working kill switch on Fire Sticks and Fire TV devices. They have several protocols such as WireGuard. And guys, Surfshark just is my number one recommended VPN provider for all of these reasons. I have compared it to the other popular providers, and I will leave a link to each of those comparisons in the video description below if you guys want to check that out. So if you are in the market for a new VPN, I do have a special discount link below this video for Surfshark that will get you the best discount. And guys, that does also help support myself and this channel creating these free videos and tutorials for you guys. So that is my third must-have Fire Stick application is Surfshark VPN. And again, this can be installed from the Amazon App Store simply by hovering Find, click Search, and then enter in Surfshark. And you'll see Surfshark appear here. And then this is the official application in the Amazon App Store with over 43,000 reviews. Surfshark VPN under apps and games. But that's it, guys. Again, those are my three must-have Fire Stick apps in 2024 and beyond. And just some bonus tips here. Some other great apps to install or look into are Crackle, the Fire TV Channels app, and even YouTube has hundreds of free movies and TV shows, and they're continually adding to their content library, as I have several videos on this channel that talk about that as well. So here's some other options to look into, guys. Crackle, Fire TV Channels, and the YouTube application. So again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Leave me a comment below if there's any Fire Stick apps that you guys are using on a daily basis and would recommend to others. I enjoy reading your comments and just seeing what you guys have to say, as that helps me create future videos as well. And guys, I hope you all have a great day.